Hello friends, today we are going to make a mic. So first we need a small mic, then we need a headphone jack, and we need some wires. You can use any type of wire. I will show you how to make mic with both the wires, headphone wire and normal wire. So this is the headphone wire and we have to burn the fibers of the headphone wire. I am using a matchstick. You can use a lighter or a torch. We have to just burn the fibers, not the whole wire. Yeah, it's done. Now the wire is ready for soldering. So we will do the soldering on the wire. So I am taking red and copper colored wire. Red for positive and the copper colored wire for ground. In the headphone jack, the lower section is the positive section and the upper section is also the positive section. The middle section is the ground section. So I will solder in the lower section and the middle section. The lower section will be my positive and the middle section will be my ground. Like this you have to do soldering. Now I am taking a plier for some support. So now we will connect the first wire with the second wire. I am connecting all the 4 wires. You can take a long wire also. I want very long mic, so that's why I am connecting 4 wires. I will apply some soldering flux and soldering wire. So now we will take a mic and connect the positive wire to the positive side of the mic and the negative wire to the negative side of the mic. This mic you can find in headphone or earphones box. So now the mic is ready. I have connected all the 4 wires and the headphone jack and the mic with each other. So now I will take a metal wire which is not conductive for just bending purpose and adjusting purpose of the mic. So I will attach it to the mic. I am using PVC electric tape to attach that wire. So now I am taking a paper clip and I will attach that wire to the paper clip with help of the tape only. You can use instant glue instead of that tape. So we can adjust the mic accordingly with the help of that metal wire. Now I am testing it and showing you.
Hello, hello, hello.